My guy, it is back to school season, and for some of you, it's also gonna be the first time you step on campus after probably a year of quarantining. See, schools have been shut down. Finally, most of you are going back to school, but I wanna make sure you're prepared. I wanna make sure you have the essentials that not only gonna make you look good, but make you function. Make sure you kill it in school this year. Today, I'm gonna give you 7 essentials everybody needs for back to school. Let's hop into this. Number 1. An external battery. Let's be real. Our phone's gonna be dying 24/7. An external battery pack is probably that one essential that if you don't have, you're going to need. Now, the one that I usually recommend is one that you can use across all your devices, but now, especially with like MagSafe on iPhones, you can buy that one that's super sleek. It doesn't add any extra bulk and make sure that you're fully charged. Number 2, a water bottle. Yo, I carry a water bottle everywhere I go. Even in my office, I always have a water bottle because it's a good way to track your water intake. If you're not forcing yourself to intake that water, you're always going to be deficient, and we already know that you need to stay hydrated so you can look good and you can perform on point. On top of that, you want to make sure your water bottle is aluminum or some sort of BPA-free plastic. This is the one that I'm currently using. You can find them on Amazon for like under $10. The point is, these are not only healthier for the environment, but also healthier for you because drinking out of plastic bottles, well, we already know they lower your testosterone. Number 3, a good backpack. This one right here, this is the key to your entire wardrobe. See, a good backpack, you're gonna be using it every day, but it's also that potential style essential. Most guys don't understand that your backpack, it could be a key style piece that every time you throw it on, it makes you look good. You want a backpack that's so good, you'll even wear it outside of school. Yo, I still bring a backpack to work. See, if it looks good, you'll be able to wear it to college, to work, to school, to travel with. That's the type of backpack you're looking for. Personally, leather's the move for me. Now, usually leather backpacks will run you $200, $300, up to $500 if you want a good one, but I usually carry mine from Mahi Leather. See, Mahi Leather creates backpacks on custom orders designed specifically for you. This cuts out inventory or storage time and also cuts out any middleman, allowing them to be able to sell you high quality, borderline designer level leather bags at a fraction of the price, and they only take about 5 days to deliver, and since they're custom to order, you can even customize them and personalize them. Like, you can put your own initials. The leather is also eco-friendly since the leather is just a byproduct of farming, and out of every purchase you make from Mahi Leather, they donate a portion of that to the Frank Wilder Foundation, which they've raised almost $45,000 for. On top of all that, they give you a 1-year warranty on the leather. Yo, like, most leather bag companies will not give you a warranty this long, especially at the low price point that they're offering, but it's because they know. They're confident in the quality, and I'm confident in it too, because that's what I personally carry. I usually carry their duffel bag or their backpack. The leather is supple, and the more you use it, the more it wears in, the more character it builds. In other words, the longer you use it throughout the year, the better it's gonna look and the more character it's gonna build. A quality leather backpack, it's one of those products that doesn't matter what outfit you're wearing that day, you throw that on, you're gonna look better. If you guys wanna check out the Mahi Leather backpacks, they're gonna be linked down below. Like I said, this is their 3.0 version. This is that backpack design that's good for any aspect of your life, whether you're at work or at school or you're traveling with. And the best part is they're already affordable, but they're gonna give you an extra discount just to make sure you're not breaking the bank for back to school. They wanna make sure you look good without having to spend a lot of money. If you guys wanna check out Mahi Leather, they're gonna be linked down below. That code right there is probably not gonna last long, so if you guys wanna check it out, click that link down below. Number 4, clean white sneakers. If you've ever seen my shoe collection, you already know I got about 20 pairs of white sneakers. And it's simple. You're gonna wear this all the time, and it's simple to wear. Yo, in the mornings, you don't wanna have to worry about what am I gonna wear or how to mix and match. You wanna grab an outfit and get out the door. White leather sneakers are gonna give you that versatility. They're gonna give you that peace of mind of knowing, yo, you look good, you don't have to put in any effort. Any type of color palette, any type of style you're throwing on, you throw on some simple white sneakers, I promise you, that fit, it's gonna look better than everybody else at school. Number 5, a sweatsuit. I'm just trying to make your life simple while making sure you look good. If you don't have a sweatsuit yet, like a good quality heavyweight sweatsuit, you're missing out. See, a sweatsuit, especially in your college days, it's almost like a real suit in the real world. See, it gives you ultimate versatility. We already know you look attractive, you look athletic. Gray sweats, it makes you a thirst trap. But the extra move you need to do is buy the complete suit. See, when you have both pieces, you got ultimate versatility where you can just wear the crew neck certain days, you can mix it with some shorts, you can mix it with some jeans, or you can grab just the sweats, mix it with a tee or mix it with a different color hoodie. That type of versatility that a single suit can give you is priceless when you're going to school, not to mention the comfort's unmatched. Number 6 is a tech kit. A tech kit, it's kind of like a DOP kit. It's a little bag where you carry all your tech essentials. This will include all your chargers, all your battery packs, all your SD cards and external storage. The point is that instead of having everything jumbled inside of your backpack that it's a mess, you want to have everything neatly organized and at easy access. This is going to make your workflow way more efficient and also keep your backpack organized so you know where to find everything. Which rolls us on to number 7, a grooming kit. This is essential for most guys. See, if you want to make sure you're smelling good and looking good throughout the day, you want to carry deodorant. You want to carry an extra bottle of your personal favorite fragrance. You want maybe some breath mints or a mouthwash. The point is that throughout the day, you're going to start developing these weird smells, these weird stenches that you're going to want to just vex before it becomes a problem. If you want your confidence on high, you need to be prepared with these grooming kits. Another good one is a sunscreen. Carry these every single day to make sure that after you hit the gym, after you hit the locker room, you're on point and you're smelling good the rest of the day. That's it from me today, boys. Those are 7 back to school essentials I believe every dude needs to kill it this year. If you guys liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget to check out our sponsor, Mahi Leather. They're going to be linked down below as well. That's it from me today. See you next time.